Hello?
Papa, I miss you.
This AI video was generated completely using SuperGrok and ChatGPT. This is a UGC video promoting a travel agency. Let's see how I created this AI video. Here's the simple one-line story for this video concept. My prompt created this story for promoting a travel agency. Then AI created the full story scene by scene. Next, here's another prompt. Finally, it generated character-consistent image and video prompts for every scene. First, copy the image prompt. I used SuperGrok to generate the images. Here's the first prompt that generated the image. Download the image, then go to the SuperGrok Imagine option. Copy the video prompt, paste it there, upload the image, and click Generate. I have already generated it. Copy every image prompt step by step and generate the images using the SuperGrok Chat option. Download each image, then generate the video using the related scene video prompt. After generating every video scene step by step, download all the videos. Then open CapCut and upload all the generated videos. Some clips may need trimming. Add or remove sound effects and do some editing as needed. After finishing the editing, export the final video.